How to draw a Roblox girl, step by step. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of today's drawing, we're going to begin by drawing two very small eyes that will be oval-like and they will be filled in completely black. Connected to each eye, we'll draw a total of 3 very small eyelashes. A little to the right, we'll draw the second eye, which will be the exact same size as what we previously drew. Next, right beneath the 2 eyes that we drew, we're going to begin to draw the mouth. We're going to draw a big U-like shape going from left to right. Right beneath the U that we just drew, we're going to draw a line going from left to right. This will be the bottom of the head. And always keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so that you can catch up. Now we're going to enclose everything that we just drew. We're going to draw a big upside down L-like shape connecting down to the point on the left hand side. Now on the top right hand side of the point that we just made, we're going to draw a couple small pieces of hair. Nicely done! Now just how I did on the left hand side, we're going to draw a second long line coming down on the right hand side. All done? If so, let's continue. Next we're going to begin to draw 2 pieces of hair on each side. These pieces of hair will be made the same length as well as the same width. If you enjoyed drawing Roblox characters, just how you are in this video, then I highly recommend that you consider checking out our Roblox drawing tutorial playlist, where you can see characters like a Roblox noob or even Miss Piggy. Now before we draw the top portion of the hair, we're going to begin to go right beneath the head and we're going to draw 2 long pieces of hair. Now let's go back to the top portion of the head. We're going to begin to draw the hair. This part might be a little bit tricky, so be sure to pause the video as you need to. In between the 2 pieces of hair that we just drew, we're going to begin to draw the middle portion that will appear to be a little bit more ruffled. Nice! Now we're all done drawing the head. Next we're going to begin to draw the body. For the first step of drawing the body, we're going to draw the torso by drawing a big square-like shape connecting from the left side of the hair all the way over to the right. Now we will draw a line on the chest going from left to right to help separate the colors between the shirt as well as the skin. Now right beneath that boxy shape that we previously drew, we're going to begin to draw the skirt, which will be at the top of the legs. We're going to draw this by making a simple shape. In order to help separate the legs, we're going to draw 2 long rectangular shapes connected to the skirt. Following this, we'll draw a leg connected to each shape. Now we'll draw the legs. At the bottom of each leg, we'll draw a curved line which will help separate the foot from the leg. Great job! A little to the right, we'll do the exact same thing that we just did on the left-hand side. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. For the last step, we're going to finish by drawing the arms as well as the hands. The first arm and hand that we draw will be on the right-hand side of the body. Have you ever wanted to draw something but you just couldn't find it on YouTube? Well, a really cool perk about being a subscriber of Learn How to Draw Hub is that you can come in an art request and you can get it drawn right here on the channel. Nice job! Now last but not least, on the other side we'll do the exact same thing. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post every single day. At the end of today's video, I will show you a picture of this drawing colored in. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I can't wait to see you next time. Also, be sure to give this video a big like if it helped you out today. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.